Hello everyone. Won't it be great if you can take your students to our nation's capital, to Washington DC, to see the White House, to see the Capitol, the Washington Monument, and all these great, wonderful historical sites. How much they can really learn from that experience. I think it will be tremendous. And then imagine if you can also take them to Athens, to the Great Wall of China, and to other historical sites. That experience, I think it will be tremendous to the students and also to the teachers. While most of you will not be able to do that with your students, we are providing a technology tool that you can let them experience some of that. And this unit is called Virtual Field Trip, and you'll be using Google Earth to explore, to see some of those sites, historical sites, or geographical sites that relate to your lessons that you want to teach to your students. And so what you need to do is to first understand Google Earth. And Google Earth is a very powerful tool. It allows you to go to some specific location, any parts on the Earth. And they also have a lot of 3D buildings that you can actually go in and see more. So like right now, I'm taking you to the McKay building right here on campus, but you can really go to anywhere on Google Earth. Sometimes I use it to see the building where I grew up in Hong Kong, and it is a very cool tool, and it has a lot of educational implications too. And so what I want you to do is to first understand what Google Earth is and understand what it does. And there are two videos for you to do that. And I also have a video that is made by a second grade student, and he's going to teach you how to use Google Earth. Isn't that wonderful? And after that, you should download Google Earth, and so that you can actually explore it and try it yourself. And it has many functions. And some of these functions are called the layers or tools, and you can explore them. And each one of the layer or tools has a video. There are actually additional tools and layers too, but these are the ones that we want, like the basic ones that we want you to explore. If you want to try some different ones too, you're welcome to do that. We may not have the tutorial to do that, but maybe you can get some help from YouTube, or you can just explore, try it yourself. And we also have a Google Earth assignment, a mock assignments that we have made, and you can download it here. And when you click on this link, you'll be able to download what we call a KMZ file. Okay, this KMZ file you can download into your computer. After you have installed Google Earth on your computer, you can double click on this KMZ file, and it will open the virtual tool inside Google Earth. And okay, so it is just like when you save a Word document, it gives you a .doc document, and when you open up that document, you will open it in Word. And so this one is a KMZ file. When you open it, it will open it in Google Earth, and it will give has some of the layers and tools that we have already designed and put into this virtual tool that we have created. All right, and your assignment is to create a page. Well, you need to explore the things that we have provided to you, and then you create a page inside your website that is called Virtual Field Trip, and then you design your field trip. Okay, now we are giving you 2 weeks to complete this entire assignment. So for this week, you only need to design the trip. You don't need to actually complete the creation of this virtual field trip yet. Okay, next week you'll be creating it, and after you have created, we also want you to do like a screen capture to capture yourself using this virtual field trip to teach some students how to like about this virtual field trip too. But for this week, you only need to design it. You don't need to create it yet. Okay, so here are some of the things that you need to consider. As you develop your virtual field trip, design your virtual field trip. Okay, the main thing that you'll be creating and submitting, for your assignments is a planning table. Okay, the planning table looks like this. Okay, as when it is empty. When it's done, it looks like this example. We are providing an example to you. Okay, so it has 4 columns. The first column talks about where you want to go. Okay, and then give an activity description, and talk about what are some of the functions, layers and tools that you'll be using. And if you are you need to use some media elements for this for each one of these location that you are going to go to. And so give us the links to the videos or graphics that you are going to use for this location. All right. And now, if you are going to do this process just by yourself, you need to have at least 3 locations. And for this assignment, I'm giving you the freedom to choose a partner if you want to have a partner to work with you together. If there are 2 of you working together as a team, then you need to have at least 5 locations in your virtual field trip. Okay, so you can work on it by yourself, or you can work with a partner. I'll say no more than 2. Okay, 3 is that making it a little too complicated. All right, and so that is your assignment. And when you create your virtual field trip, it should be according to the standards that we have listed here. Okay, social study standards, and it should be a very educational experience. I'll tell you, this assignment is probably more technical than any other assignments that we have for this class. And so in the process, you may have some questions about some technical elements, and we'll be in the lab Monday morning, and you are welcome to come and get some help. And I'll strongly encourage you to start early, so that you have enough time to complete this assignment. Okay, I look forward to your products. Thank you.